Hi everyone, we have Minnie's marvelous microwave set. Try to say that 3 times fast. Look at this super cool toy. It talks, it spins, it's so much fun. Let's take this out and play with our marvelous microwave set. Marvelous microwave set. Marvelous microwave set. I said it 3 times fast. Let's go. Hiya, engineering family. I'm so glad we get to play with my new microwave. What are you in the mood for? Minnie, I think I'm in the mood for some popcorn. Great! Will you show everyone out there how to use my microwave? And I'll be right back. Sure thing, Minnie. All right, everyone. Let's get our yummy popcorn right here. Look at Minnie. I love it. So we're going to open up the microwave, place it inside. Next, we're going to push the popcorn button.
Isn't this fun?
It is. And now I'm going to turn it on. Wow!
Ding! Time to eat.
Time to eat. Yummy popcorn. I love it. What sounds good next? Maybe we should have some yummy, delicious soup. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the microwave. Close the door. I'm going to push the soup button.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Ooh, yummy. Oh, look, everyone. It spins. And it's counting down. It's counting down by 5s.
Ooh, the snacks are ready.
Oh, yummy. So I'm going to take my soup out and enjoy that. Be careful. It might be hot. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, a yummy pretzel. Minnie, is it okay that we're like heating up and eating all your food? I'm kind of wondering if it is okay. Hiya, engineering family. You know it's okay to eat whatever it is that I have. Go ahead, keep showing us. Alrighty then, I'm going to go ahead and push pretzel.
I sure am hungry.
Now let's turn it on. And you can see the light back there and the spinning plate. It's red.
What a wonderful smell.
The red light means that it is ready. So let's take out our pretzel. Yummy, yummy. All right, you guys ready to have like a really sweet treat? Let's see. We have 1 graham cracker. We have a marshmallow. Can you guess what we're making? Then we have a chocolate bar. Yummy. And then we top it off with another graham cracker. Let's see if that stays together in the microwave. We are going to make our s'mores. Here we go.
Cooking together is so much fun.
Turn it on. Is it going to fall? It's going to stay.
Time to enjoy our treat.
This is a special treat. Yummy. So we could just put about anything in here, but this toy comes with our s'mores, or we could just have chocolate. Yummy. So it comes with s'mores, it comes with our pretzel, some yummy soup, and some delicious popcorn. Wow. And now the buttons have a little bit more. We have some bacon right there. Here is some Eggo waffles. We have some pretzels, our s'mores, our popcorn, and our soup. And this right here is the on and off buttons. Hiya, Minnie again. Thanks, engineering family, for showing everyone out there how to use my really cool microwave. You're welcome, Minnie. Thanks for letting us eat all your food. Oh, my pleasure, my pleasure. Now, engineering family, tell them what they need to do. Oh, okay, Minnie. That's right. We need to go ahead and click right there, if you haven't already, to subscribe here.
Isn't this fun?
It is fun, especially if you subscribe to the engineering family, and tell us that you did in the comments so that we can say thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, give us a thumbs up. And our secret password is right there, and it's super easy. Microwave, because we just played with Minnie's marvelous microwave set. I love it. So go ahead and put the comments below, and thanks so much for playing. I hope you had a great time. Bye, everyone.
Now take a look at one of these cool videos that feature surprise eggs, Scooby Doo, Paw Patrol, even Jack Frost and Elsa going to jail. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.